check this out, guys. I wrote a book, and it's available on Amazon. And I wrote it with automation and AI, and that's really what this conversation is about. And we can talk about the book later if you guys feel like it, but this is about how I took an idea and I turned it into a product. Now I'm going to go through the whole process with you. So this was all done through code. All the code is available in a repo, so you can see everything I did. This repo, generated every output. It generated a website right here where you can read the book for free. It generated the images using an API. It generated an audio book so that you could listen to it. It generated the Kindle format to upload to Amazon. It generated a free Kindle format where anyone could download it. It generated a video, which is really an audio book playing, but with just, some animations in the background. And, you basically can listen to the entire book or you can look at it. It's got some little stuff going on.
Emulation and multiplication.
But the point of this is, through automation and having a business outcome in mind, I was able to take the tools at hand and tie them together in such a way to get the outcome I wanted. A lot of people do this backwards. They just kind of start working and then they kind of get something and they sort of tie it together and they're like, oh, this is the thing. I knew what I wanted. I wanted to write a book. I wanted it on Amazon. I wanted a YouTube video, and I wanted an audio book. I wanted a web page. I wanted the full production version of a book. This took 2 days. The video honestly took the longest amount of time. It probably took, probably 8 hours to get done. The book itself probably took, another 8 hours. I find myself torn when I have these conversations because a lot of times, my conversation's about the process of how I got to a product, right? And sometimes I want to talk about the product. And this one, I really just want to talk about automation and AI. AI is the small portion of that conversation. Automation is the big portion because automation is doing the heavy lifting here. And so I want to have these conversations with you guys. I want you guys to tell me what you think. And I'll talk about the book later, right? I'm not really worried about that. I'll throw all the links in the chat. But, I want to have more of these interactive conversations where we can really drill down into, what people need, what people want, and how they achieve these goals. Because that's really what I do. I figure out how to get you from point A to point B, right? All right, guys. Thanks so much.